Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can get your own task management application built with Bettyblocks. This application comes with a management system for projects and tasks, a login and register flow, and a manager role to handle and manage the projects and tasks. To get started, go to your My Bettyblocks dashboard and go to the public templates. Select the Bettyblocks Task Management Application template. Make sure that you use the public template and not the guided building template. Click Use Template, fill in your application name and identifier, or just use the same. And get started. So after arriving in your applications dashboard, there are two things you need to do and one thing you can do before making the full use of this template and application. The first thing you need to do to fully optimize your template and fully use it to its maximum potential is go to the Tools section and open up the Configurations tab. In here, you need to set the application ID, and you can find the application ID by going to your URL and copying the last part behind /app. That's the identifier of the application, and you need to set that as the value of the configuration. This to make sure that the template does everything it can do. You can close that up, and the next thing you need to do to make sure that your app will do absolutely anything you need it to do is go to the back office and go to the settings, open up the web user, and make your first web user, which is going to be your web user, likely. So fill in your information details and give yourself the web user role. So save this, and to get started within this application, you need at least one manager. So to do that, after you've created your own web user via the back office, you can press the Promote to Manager button to give yourself or give anyone who you need to have as manager within your task management application the manager role. If someone else signs up and needs to be the manager, you can give them the manager role as well. After setting up your own manager role, you can close the back office and go to the front end. And as you can see, there are a lot of pages, data models, and actions in this app, and everything has been set up just for you. So go to your home page, press play or compile, and let's have a look at what the front end can do for us. So for anyone new to this application, they can press the Register New Account button and create their new account. We already have this, so log in. And well, after you've logged into your application, you can see this is your Task Manager application. Here you can add new projects, see your open tasks, and see your team's open tasks. You, as a manager, have the manager overview. So let's go and create a project, for example. Project 1, the first project we are doing, create. And as you can see, there is a task progress bar, and you can view the details, and you can add new tasks. You can also go to the manager overview for projects waiting for approval, user management, etc. In here, you can also connect users to specific managers. In this case, I am a manager already, but everything has been set up for you. And the only last thing you can do before you are going to use your application is, well, change the styling up a little. So let's go back to our page builder. And well, as I can see, the logo, etc. is fine. You can change the logo to one of your own or change the menu to be one that you set up. Go to the tools for coloring and open up the theme builder. And in here, you can change things such as the primary color of your company. Well, let's make it a little lighter. In this case, for example, change the accents to, maybe I'm gonna make it a little more reddish. So there we go. And the last accent is going to be a bit more purple. I'm not sure what that will lead to, but let's save and apply. Go back to the page and let's see what it looks like. After changing the accents, changing some colors, you can press play, compile, and there you go. You have your own styled, ready to go task management application. Good luck managing your own tasks.